बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आमीन. Combinations lecture 2. Be well mannered. You should be well mannered. Combinations for repeated objects. Don't use NCR for the repeated or identical objects. Like in this example, telephone, one letter is repeating, which is E. And in happiness, we have two letters, we have two S and two P's. Example, we have 5 A's, and the question is requirements, all 5 A's, we have to select all 5, and then we have to select all 3 A's, 3 A's and then 1 A. So there is just one way. There is just one way to select either 5 A's from 5 A's, 3 A's from 5 A's, 5 A's from 5, 3 from 5, 1 from 5. Don't use 5C3, don't use 5C1, and this is the wrong approach. There is always just one way for the selection of some or all repeated or identical objects. Cases. When just one object is repeating, just one object is repeated. In this word telephone, just one letter is repeating. There are 3 E's. So when just one letter is repeated, then consider all possible selections, that is with or without the repeated letters, with or without the repeated objects. When the selections are random, and use NCR for the selections of the remaining objects. So for identical, don't use NCR. For remaining, since remaining are not repeated, so use NCR for the remaining. Example, telephone. So in this word there are 9 letters, and the question is select 4 letters if there are no restrictions. So when it says there are no restrictions, that means you have to consider all possible selections with or without the repeated letters. Since we have 3 E's and remaining letters are 6, so we have to consider all possible selections with or without the letter E. So when we have no E, selections with no E. So we have to take all 4 letters from the remaining 6 letters. So the answer is 64. Selections with 1 E. Selection with 1 E, therefore we need 3 more letters from the remaining 6 letters. So it should be 63. And no need to mention the selection of the repeated letter E, the identical letter E. So when we are selecting 2 E's, then we have to select 2 more letters from the remaining 6 letters, since we need altogether 4 letters. So 6C2, and no need to mention anything for 2 E's. There is just one way to select 2 E's. Selection with 3 E's. So we need 1 letter from the remaining 6 letters, 6C1. So this means selection with no E's, selection with 1 E's, selections with 2 E's, selections with 3 E's. You just need to add all. When 2 or more objects are repeated. Now this is the complicated situation. Like in this question, aggregate, we have 3 G's, 2 E's and 2 A's. List all possible selections with and without the repeated objects. In this case, we have to list. We should list all the possible selections. Now, in this word aggregate, the question is select 4 letters which contain exactly 2 G's or 3 G's. This is the question. So, since we have 3 G's, 2 E's, 2 A's, and there are 2 remaining letters R and T. So with 2 G's, we can have 2 A's, like double G, double A, 2 E's, AE, AR, AT, ER, ET, RT. So with 2 G's, we can have any possibility like these. So if you will count these, they are 8 ways. So this is basically known as listing the combinations. So with 3 G's, we can have 1A, we can have 1E, we can have 1 R, we can have 1 T. So there are 4 ways. Hence the total will be 12 ways. That will be the final answer. We must be humble. We must be humble, we must be down to earth. Good luck. May Allah Pak make things easier for all of us. I tried my level best to make the combinations and permutations topics simple as possible. If you understand the concepts first in detail, and if you will solve more questions of both the topics, then you will be able to solve any question of permutation and combinations. 2 things are important. Must understand the concepts in detail first. You must understand the formats. You must know where should we use box method, spaces method, counting method, especially in permutations, and how to select the repeated objects. When some objects are repeated, when one object is repeated or 2 objects are repeated, how to make groups, how to divide, how to share the thing between the people. I mean, you must know all the concepts first. If your concepts are good, and then you can solve the questions. So first understand the concepts in detail, and then solve as many questions as possible. In this way, you will be able to solve any question of permutation and combination. You will be very good at this topic, inshallah. Good luck to everyone. Allah Hafiz.